And welcome to Make Easy. And this is the fourth video in our e-commerce application in jQuery. In this video, we are displaying all the line items whatever we added to cart, and also we showing amount over there, total amount. And let's begin. So I'm just creating one more function for this. So function load cart items. So I don't need to pass anything, so I just is empty parentheses, so I'm not passing any parameters. So first I should show there are total amount, right? So for that I'm just copying this one, I'm just pasting over here, and be changing that to total amount dot total amount. So I was given a class for that total amount, and total quantity is no need for it. We just need to add only a dollar symbol and price. That's it. If I refresh it, you can see total price over there. Alright, so if we go back 3681, so 3681, it's correct. So after that, we just looping through all the items whatever there in the local storage, and we are appending to tr. Okay, so let's begin code for that. So first what we doing now, so jQuery .h2.each, so json.parse local storage .get item, make easy, should pass key, right? Make easy. After it, so it should be function and this hash row, so I comma value. Yes, now what we have to do, we have to take a table. So in the cart, so we have a table having id keywords, and we have a t body, right? So now you need to take a keywords and t body dot append. So already I was copied this tr. I will explain what it will do. So I'm just pasting over here. So in every loop, so we have a I in the sense the name, key is the name, right? Key, and the value of quantity, and what is the total quantity, and we are also taking the price, individual quantity, and total sum of quantity, and individual price, and we are multiplying price into quantity, and it should be fixed to 2 characters. So that's it, but we have to load this in somewhere, right? So I'm going to loading over here only again. So I'm going over to cart page, I'm refreshing it. I can see now we have 2 products over there. So if we want to add even more products, go back and so click on this one and this one. So we have 7 products, and if you click on it, you still see there is a 4 products. We have a iPhone X quantity is 3, and individual price and total price, like this. Thank you guys, and thanks for watching. Hope you like the video. Please do subscribe to Make Easy. Thank you.